हेलो गाइस, स्वागत है आपका न्यूज़ली एनिमे के इंटरव्यू वीडियो में, जहां हमारे साथ है प्रिया मैम AKA इंडियन वेब कॉमिक। ये हमारे इंटरव्यू सेशन का दूसरा पार्ट है। अगर आपने पहला पार्ट नहीं देखा है तो डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक है, आप जाके देख सकते हैं। मतलब जैसे कि अभी लोगों को वेबटून के बारे में तो ज़्यादा पता है नहीं, तो मतलब जब न्यू वेबटून सजेस्ट करने की बारी आती है तो पैरों के नीचे से ज़मीन खिसकने जैसी हो जाती है, क्योंकि किसी को ज़्यादा पता नहीं होता। तो अभी आप अगर किसी न्यू वेबटून मतलब जो भी न्यू शुरू कर रहा है, तो उसको अगर कोई वेबटून सजेस्ट करनी हो तो आप कौन सी मतलब वेबटून सजेस्ट करेंगी? जिन्होंने अभी रीड करना शुरू किया, अभी उनको पता चला अरे वेबटून नाम की भी कोई चीज़ होती है, तो
उनको ना पता है। So I have answers in both international bucket and अपने Indian bucket also. ठीक है,
कोई भी
कोई भी। So यार, I would obviously push for Indian buckets. ठीक है, international अभी आप सर्च कर लो टॉप वेबटून्स, आपको लिस्ट मिल जाएगी एंड वो बहुत ही ऑथेंटिक लिस्ट होती है। ठीक है, सोलो लेवलिंग आएगा इन टॉप 5। ठीक है, आपके
बिल्कुल नहीं।
अरे क्या बात कर रहे हो यार। पढ़ो सोलो लेवलिंग, usually anime, you should cover that, please.
Yeah, we will.
So, but you basically have a lot of online resources आपको वहाँ पे जाके आपके top webtoons मिल जाएंगे. Indian webtoons is something I really want to promote, and there are some very top quality webtoons coming out by Indian creators. Like first I can kind of suggest one is Abandoned Princess. Abandoned Princess करके we have this Indian artist Anukriti, so please do go and check it out. वो पढ़ के the hype you'll get ना कि wow, like you'll feel proud by reading that. And we also have like Kali Yuga, right? Kali Yuga is also there.
Kali Yuga
by Vakar, yeah. So that is also a very amazing series. So you have action mythology में we have these two very amazing series. अगर like kind of like a slice of life drama types अगर वैसा कुछ चाहिए तो there's Wonder Cloud by Aster Teen. So you can go and you can check that out also. And इसके अलावा amongst मतलब अगर like if you want to go ahead and read like science में अगर कुछ चाहिए तो Beneath an Aliens का है, that is like absolute amazing, and that is something which kind of which can even compete in the US market. Like बहुत ही high quality है. And it's not just like along with this you also have Pirates Made, by Tanvi, and that itself that has like 50, अभी last मैंने शायद check किया था 15,000 subscribers थे उसके webtoon में. 15,000 I think one of the highest है. So amongst for Indian creators. So even that is there. That has not much to do with Indian mythology, action or anything. It's a romance webtoon with Indian creators. Sorry, with Indian leads. But yeah, even that has found a market. US market में काफी like a lot of its readers are from US. So you have these creators in very different genres who are producing high quality stuff. Very high quality creations. Please go and check it out, yaar. मतलब abhi, because these are the creations which ultimately जब when they have sufficient content, when they have sufficient support, they might even turn out to be like our Indian animes. If they have the sufficient hype, you can have these studios, and मैं बहुत ही rosy picture paint कर रही हूँ, but even Forest Animation Studio, webcomic offers a much better, it's much more safe to produce a webcomic than an original source material which has not been out there. So I'm very much happy with the way these creations are by Indian creators are coming up, and I'm just kind of waiting for a day when we'll have a animated adaptation, when we'll see something similar on movie screens. Abhi like I stay in Bangalore, so I have access to all of these Japanese animes getting adapted on movie screens. So that is something which hypes me. कि यार one day even Indian creators, Indian webtoons will also be out there.
Adapt होंगे किसी दिन
उनके
हमको देखने
animated
मिलेंगे.
versions भी हमें देखेंगे.
Adapt होंगे किसी दिन
So
हमको
yeah.
देखने मिलेंगे.
मिलेगा यार. It's frankly it's up to us to hype them as much as we can.
Yeah.
जितना हम hype कर सकते हैं, and that is what like I've been kind of trying to push. I've been kind of trying to scream कि भाई देखो इतना high quality content है.
देखो जरा इधर भी.
जरा इधर देखो. Just go and check this out. And please don't because जब भी कोई Indian web comic की बात करता है या Indian cartoon की anime cartoon की बात करते हैं, like everyone gets sad. अभी like जैसे you have these छोटा भीम and everything, right? Like सबके दिमाग में वो पिक्चर आती है कि इंडियन अगर कोई क्रिएट कर रहा है तो वैसे ही क्रिएट करेगा. नहीं बॉस, that's not the scene. We like our community has matured a lot and is creating high quality stuff. Like go and check it out. So yeah, I also missed out Bucker Max यार. मतलब Bucker Max is a very good page. आप वहाँ पे जाके you can read some very good web comics, Indian web comics.
Yeah.
So yeah.
So
it's less on the international, more on the Indian. I'm going all Indian right. वो पढ़ो. Yeah.
तो इंडियन वेब कंपटीशन के बारे में आपका क्या कहना है जो हाल ही में हुआ था? आपका इस बारे में क्या कहना है? एक्सपीरियंस कैसा था आपका?
So यार so that's what I think. जब last year हमने Facebook group start किया था, we had उस time पे around October तक we had like 500 members. So we ran a poll. We asked them कि like boss, what stops you from creating a comic? ठीक है. And one thing which came out was कि यार competitions नहीं है, जहाँ पे हम जाके अपना वोट डाल सकते हैं and where we can get feedback or where we stand amongst our peers. कुछ हमें आइडिया लगे उस चीज का. So ऐसा नहीं है, competitions exist करते हैं. नेवर वेबटून का खुद competition है, annual competition होता है उनका. आपके I think Shonen Jump and all के भी ये magazines के भी competitions होते हैं. But yeah, they are at an international level. ठीक है, like Indian creator तो like घूम जाएगा वहाँ पे. So that's what we started off last year. In fact, we did November December हमने first edition चलाया था Indian Web competition का 2020 का. And kind of very very proud to share that like I think 2 series. So we had like 6 winners उसमें and उसमें we had 2 categories. एक webtoon था और एक manga style था, एक webtoon style था. So we had 6 winners out of it, and quite happy to know that out of those 6, 2 started continuing their series. So like 2 series were Wonder Cloud and Kali Yuga. So these 2 respective series, they started off, they had registered at the competition. And उसके बाद से they have been continuing their series. उनके और additional chapters आ रहे हैं. They have been updating it at a fortnightly, monthly level. So that is something we are very proud of. कि इतने Indian Webcomic Competition 2020 was a space जहाँ these guys thought कि okay, we can submit and let's see how it goes. And hopefully this gave a boost, like a confidence boost to these guys. And I think that has been a very interesting experience for us. Like something we could clearly see is that people were kind of being more confident in their own creations, by seeing the support. Like we tried to hype it as much as we can. So competition में जो भी जीता है, there was a prize money. It was a very nominal prize money. Like we had हर एक कैटेगरी में 3 रैंक्स थे, फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड. तो टोटल 6 प्राइजेस हैं. उसमें आपको कैश मनी मिल रहा है, काइंड ऑफ सर्टिफिकेट, डिजिटल सर्टिफिकेट मिल रहा है. इंस्टा लाइव्स किए थे हमने जहाँ पे वी अनाउंस दीस रिजल्ट्स. सो एज टू काइंड ऑफ बिल्ड अ हाइप की ये यू गाइस वॉन. So yeah, so because of that, I think it was a result of webcomic last year's competition. Last year, only 50 people, I would say, had registered. The next edition of competition, that is the 2021. इस time हमने ज़्यादा time दिया है between final submissions. So it's like 4 months. Last वाले में सिर्फ like 1.5 month था. And from 50, we have like 88. Around 88 people registered this time.
Wow.
So the competition, the people are showing interest. People are finding this to be a helpful space, which helps them be kind of kind of focus
Hmm.
on creating their webcomic. Because वैसा रहता है ना, like now you have deadlines.
Yeah.
So like हमारे competition में the format is that you have 3 deadlines. अगर आप वो तीनों deadline में submit नहीं कर रहे हो, 3 phases, अगर आप the phases में submit नहीं करते हो, it's an elimination round. You can't go ahead. So that pushes for a deadline. दिमाग में deadline रहता है कि यार हाँ story मेरे को अभी तक थोड़ी sort करनी है, character designs मुझे थोड़े clear करने हैं. So the deadline format I think थोड़ा सा push the creators to kind of give their best. And that is what has been going on. In fact, yeah, Aj is the character design for final submission. So I've also been kind of pushing them. I also Facebook group पे constant updates में, Instagram पे mails भी रहते हैं constant. Last date आ रहा है, submit करो, last date आ रहा है, submit करो. Because I understand थोड़ा hand holding रहता है यार, मतलब it's a competition, लोगों को ज़्यादा idea नहीं है इसका. So yeah, so this competition is still going on. Hopefully I have very high expectations कि 30th May is अभी like April and May they'll now start working on their comic. So 2 months में we'll see some very high quality web comics coming out. Yeah, so the experience has been, as the organizer, has been very enriching for me, and I'm very happy to see the way these guys are growing and improving their comic like at every competition के edition. Yeah.
अपने वाले जीते तो अच्छा ही लगता है, ऐसा हो रहा है
यार. हाँ मतलब and I think मतलब जीतने के बाद it's up to the creators. मतलब it's not organizers का कोई भी ownership नहीं होता कॉमिक में. वो आपका कॉमिक है, आपको जो करना है आप करो उसके साथ. हम बस आपको हाइप, हाँ हम आपको हाइप देंगे, हम आपको like cash prize भी दे रहे हैं. The cash prize is not that great, but we hope we reach a level कि based on the number of registrations we are getting some kind of sponsorship, जिससे हम और अच्छा cash prize और अच्छा experience दे सकते हैं to the participants. Yeah, but based on the last two, this is clearly something we will continue. In fact, this year also, next year also, इसको हम continue रखेंगे. Hopefully this becomes a stage जहाँ इंडिया के top quality web comics publish हो रहे हैं, या they are participating over here, which is very similar to how it happens in Japan. जापान में भी आपके शोनन जंप जो रहते हैं वो competitions करते हैं, और आपके most popular series Naruto and everything, they kind of came out of these competitions. So it's kind of a similar thing we are trying out over here. Yeah.
तो चलिए अब बढ़ते हैं हमारे रैपिड फायर की तरफ. आप रेडी हो ना?
Yeah, fingers crossed. Yes, okay. Yes, we're ready. I have no idea what you'll ask me.
Okay, texting or talking? बताओ.
Talking.
Favorite day of the week?
Saturday.
Nickname your parents used to call you?
I can't tell that.
Please, you have to.
No. No.
Okay.
I absolutely can't.
Okay, how long does it take you to get ready?
5 minutes.
5 minutes?
5 minutes.
Okay.
People are like judging me now. But I can be very quick, yeah.
Okay, so first celebrity crush.
First celebrity crush.
Fast.
Yeah, it will sound very weebish, but Tama Home actually a 2D character in grade 8.
Oh, अच्छा. Favorite junk food.
Favorite Maggie all time.
Okay.
Yes.
Favorite. Same here. Favorite childhood.
Same here.
Same.
Yeah. Maggie is so yeah. Same here.
Favorite childhood TV show.
Favorite. I was talking about this the other day. काफी सारे हैं, but I saw Ranma Half. हमारे Animax आता था. So there was this series Ranma Half करके, and oh god, it was basically बहुत explicit, बहुत explicit show था वो. But that was my favorite. That was like I've seen nothing like that on Indian Cartoon Network or anything by Indian publication. So I was quite amazed by Ranma Half. Yeah.
Okay. Anime or webtoon?
Anime? No. Webtoon.
Webtoon. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm 100%. Now I'm a webtoon girl. Yeah. Anime. हो गया. That was.
Okay. Favorite character from Naruto?
Favorite character from
Fast.
Itachi.
Tachi.
Itachi.
Wow.
Hmm.